You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood actress Laide Bakare celebrated her birthday massively in America. This is after a massive party in Nigeria, where A-list celebrities were in attendance. She tagged the party in America as a Thanksgiving birthday costume party, which took place on Saturday, 5th December 2020. It was attended by family and friends with lots of celebration.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.